Welcome to a world of calm creativity. In this video, we blend macrame art, crochet yarn, and fall wreaths designed to create beautiful, cozy home decoration. Each wreath tells a story of warmth, mindfulness, and creativity, handmade with love and natural charm. Discover the benefits of wreath making from relaxation to emotional balance and see how crafting can bring peace into your home this autumn. Today we will explore a cozy blend of macrame knot, crochet yarn and fall inside inspired wreaths. Simple crafts that bring peace and warmth into your home. These handmade wreaths are more than decoration, they are symbols of creativity, comfort and mindfulness. Take a deep breath, feel the calmness of the season around you. Let's begin the journey together, knot by knot, loop by loop. Before we start crafting, let's understand the symbolism of the wreath. The circular shape of the wreath represents eternity, unity, and the circle of life. It has no beginning and no end. Just like love, gratitude, nature's rhythm. In fall, wreath remind us of change, of letting go, and welcoming new beginning. When you create a wreath, you are not just decorating, you are connecting with a deeper sense of balance. Let's begin with macrame, the beautiful art of knotting cords to create elegant patterns. Using cotton rope or jute yarn, start wrapping your wreath base slowly, mindfully. Each knot can represent peace, each twist a movement of gratitude. You can mix texture, soft yarn with thick jute, or even add crochet flowers for a cozy handmade touch. Macrame gives your wreath a rustic bohemian look, perfect for the warm tones of fall. Now let's add a soft beauty of crochet with leftover yarn. Make small crochet flowers, leaves, or circle. Use shades like mustard, burnt orange, cream, or deep red. Colors that capture the heart of autumn. Attach that gently around the wreath, each one adding a layer of softness and love. Crochet brings calm, the slow looping motion, the quiet rhythm of the needle, that peaceful repetition. It's not just a craft, it's therapy for the hands and soul. To make your wreath even more seasonal, add a few natural touches. Collect dried leaves, acorns of cinnamon sticks, tie them with jute thread, or place them between the macrame loops. The smell of cinnamon, the texture of dried plants, all connects you to nature. The mixture of yarn, fabric, and nature macrame makes you feel wreath not only beautiful but meaningful. Now let's talk about the benefits of making wreath. Wreath crafting is an act of mindfulness. It helps you slow down, focus, and stay present. Studies shows that working with your hands like knotting or crocheting reduces stress and anxiety. It also improves mood and creativity. Each wreath becomes a reflection of your inner calm, a piece of your peaceful energy hanging proudly on the wall or door. And every time you see it, it reminds you of your ability to create harmony from simple things. Once finished, you can hang your wreath on your door, above your fireplace, or even as wall art. The earthy tones, the yarn softness, the handmade texture all brings warmth to your home. A macrame of crochet thread is perfect not just for fall, but for all seasons. A timeless touch that reflects love, creativity, and care. As we end this calm, creative journey, remember every knot and stitch is a quiet reminder to slow down. Your hands create beauty, but your heart gives it meaning. So this season crafts with purpose, decorate with love, and live with peace. Thank you for joining, and may your fall be filled with warmth, creativity, and mindfulness. As we end, if you want to watch more videos like this, more ideas like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Wishing you a very happy festival this holiday. May your home fulfilled with craft, happiness, love, togetherness, and many more you have in your life. What you want to achieve. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, creativity, and many more. Wishing you a very happy festival, happy holiday, happy crafting. May your home fulfilled with craft, love, happiness, togetherness, and many more in your life. Wishing you a very happy, good day, very happy festival, and lots of prayers for you. And we try to give you amazing and unique ideas. So, this, so viewers, and we end this calm creative journey. Remember, every node and stitch is a quiet reminder to slow down. Your hands create beauty, but your heart gives it meaning. So this season, craft